In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add new pages to your Looker Studio reports. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer, these methods will streamline the process and keep your reports organized and easy to navigate. Let's get started with the quickest method available, which is using the toolbar. First, open your report in edit mode. This ensures that you have the correct permissions to make changes and that every option you'll need is accessible. Once you're in edit mode, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Page. Click on this drop-down, and among the options presented, you'll find one that says New Page. Go ahead and select that. When you do, almost instantly, a brand new page will appear. It may be given a default name like Untitled Page, but don't worry, you'll have the chance to customize that later. Right after this, you'll be automatically transported to this new page, ready and waiting for you to fill it with content and data. This method is particularly helpful when you're in a hurry and just need to add pages as swiftly as possible. Now, let's look at the second option, which is a bit more advanced and helps with better organizational structure. Again, you'll need to be in edit mode. Once you're there, focus on the toolbar. You'll notice a part of it indicating Page Bond of Calcul. Clicking this will open up a new window, or alternatively, you can follow the path of Page and then Manage Pages. This brings up the Report Pages panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you get a broader view of your report's layout, which is ideal for managing multiple pages efficiently. At the very bottom of this panel, you'll see a plus icon. This is your Create button. When you click this, you'll be greeted with several options, among which is Page. Select Page to add a new one. Looker Studio allows you to do even more from this panel. You can add sections, dividers, or headers to enhance navigation and improve the report's overall structure. This approach might take a bit longer, but it's invaluable for maintaining a comprehensive and well-organized report, especially if it contains a large amount of data spread across numerous pages. Both methods are designed to be intuitive, and choosing between them often depends on your immediate needs, be it speed or organization. Remember, while the first method is incredibly swift, the second offers a more customizable and organized approach to building out your reports. Now you're all set to add new pages to your Looker Studio reports with confidence and clarity. Happy reporting!